Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the browser's advanced settings so you can change the underlying switch. In Firefox, type About, Config and accept the risk. In Chrome/Edge, go to Chrome//flags. Once there, search for Reader. Parse on Load or Enable Reader Mode. These keys control automatic entry into Reader View. Toggle the Firefox key to false or set the Chrome/Edge flag to disabled. Making this change prevents the browser from auto-invoking Reader Mode. That's the immediate, necessary step. Once you've changed the flag, make sure to finish the execution path. Relaunch the browser so the setting takes effect. Next, open extensions or add-ons and disable any Reader Mode extensions. They can override flags. Also inspect site settings and keyboard shortcuts. Some sites or shortcuts force Reader View. You disable those shortcuts or remap them to avoid accidental activation. These middle steps remove alternate paths into Reader Mode, so your initial flag change isn't undone by an extension or a hotkey. You finish by restarting the browser and testing pages that used Reader Mode to confirm it's gone. If Reader View still appears, clear cache and cookies, then try a fresh profile. Extensions or corrupted profile data often re-enable features. If the setting resets after updates, make a small backup of your profile and note the flag changes so you can reapply them quickly. One troubleshooting tip: if flags revert, check for managed policies or enterprise controls that force Reader Mode on and disable those first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.